So we're on to number 4. Poor quality foods. Poor quality foods. You know, sometimes we eat day in, day out, we're eating and eating, but what it is that we're eating. If you have burger for breakfast, burger for lunch, and burger for dinner, chances are you will have digestive issues. At some point you will have digestive issues as a result, because these are poor quality foods. The more processed a food is, the harder it is on the digestive system. You need foods as close to their natural forms as possible, and that is why fruits and vegetables are always great options when you have digestive issues. Get your fruits, your tender leafy greens, for example, your fresh herbs. Cut out the processed foods, because too much of it will not only cause digestive issues for you, it cause way more dangerous issues such as cancer. The World Health Organization has classified processed meats such as hamburgers, salami, for example, as class 1 carcinogens, meaning that these foods are highly likely to cause cancer. So you have to be mindful of that when you're eating these food day in, day out. So not only would they possibly cause digestive issues, there are greater issues that they could cause for you. So substitute some of that processed foods, or as much of it as possible, for fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds. Don't buy so many processed foods. Sometimes it's best to cook your foods from scratch, because a number of these foods have things to excite the taste buds, excitotoxins. They're putting these in foods by manufacturers, and the purpose is to get you hooked, to get you coming back for more, because they want that dollar, they want that pound, they want that money. And in order for them to have that money is to have you coming back for more all the time. And so some of these foods are specifically made in such a way that they are really addictive to the taste bud, and then we want more and more of them. But be mindful that this could be the cause of your discomfort, this could be the cause of your indigestion. So substitute some of those for some fresh fruits, vegetable, whole grains, nuts and seeds. Okay, so that was number 4, poor quality foods.